the road is gone. A whole new river course here. This was all pristine bush a day ago. This river has never ever flowed in this area, and the baobab tree is in the distance, if it still exists. I'm not too sure. If you look over there is the historic Sherry River in the distance, where you see that plume of mist. That's the historic river with the waterfall to the left of it. We can't even get close to the waterfall, but it's an incredible amount of rain. We've had well over 200 millimeters plus. We still need to get the official figures. Rained all around us and then in the Blantyre Hills. But yeah, serious damage in Majestic.